You know me, I like to cook, and this is perfect for all occasions, especially like Thanksgiving. GARVEE sent us one of their electric chafing dish sets with temperature control for catering. How exciting is that? It's powered by a 400-watt built-in heating element, and you just fill the bottom with water in the pan. Then you have choice between the big tray or two smaller trays. It's made of stainless steel and it has a roll plastic lid. So nice. It's easy to clean and I use it for breakfast, as you'll see here. It comes with a cord and you can adjust the temperature so easy. You can go, I think, from 86 degrees up to 200 degrees. It weighs about 12 pounds, so it's very light and easy to maneuver. And the removable power cord makes it so much easier to wash and take care of. I just love this GARVEE. Thank you so much for sending this to us. If you want one of these for Thanksgiving or upcoming events that you may have scheduled, Christmas, the holidays, whatever it may be, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so that you can get your own GARVEE chafing dish. It is high quality and made just so well, and look at how beautiful it is with the food sitting in it. I put my breakfast in there. Yeah, that's sausage, eggs, and homemade biscuits. Thank you, GARVEE.